Do you love raspberries? Raspberries are one of my favorite fruits and I have a ton in my garden. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate raspberry brownies. They are delicious to die for, easy to make, plus I get to use up some of my raspberries. Let's go pick some raspberries and let's go spice things up. There's so many raspberries and so I need to pick them. Alright, that's perfect. Okay, you'll want to get a pan and start boiling some water. Then you'll want to get a glass bowl and put your chocolate in it. And this is 10 ounces of dark chocolate chips. And what we're going to do is start melting the chocolate down. And to that you'll want to add 2 sticks of butter. And these I cut up so they'll melt easily. Into the dark chocolate and the butter, I'm going to add 1 milk chocolate Hershey's bar. Now, this just gives it a little bit of a sweeter flavor that the dark chocolate does not give. If you don't have a Hershey's chocolate bar, you can just use regular milk chocolate chips. And then you'll want to stir this so that nothing burns at the bottom. Okay, so once your chocolate has melted, and the butter has fully melted as well, you want to just take it off of the pan and start adding the rest of your ingredients. Okay, so to the bowl we're going to add 2 cups of brown sugar, and 1 cup of flour, next you'll want to add 2 teaspoons of salt to the bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, Now that the chocolate has kind of cooled down from adding the other ingredients, we can add the eggs, and we're going to add 4 eggs. The reason why you want it to cool down a little bit is because you don't want to cook the eggs already. And then of course break the yolk and stir that together. Right here we have 2 cups of raspberries, and these were the raspberries from my garden. I actually froze these, and the reason why I froze these is because raspberries are so fragile. They break easily. I want them to be kind of whole in the brownies. So we're going to add 1/2 of the raspberries to the chocolate. And then stir this in to the mixture. Alright, so it's time to transfer your mixture to a pan. For me, I always add brownie mixture to muffin tins. For one reason, I don't like the crust that gets kind of crisp on the edge of brownies. Also, it's easy to remove and clean up, and they just look prettier. Alright, so now it's time to add your mixture to the cupcake liners. So I just use a measuring cup and just put it in that way. It's just easier to scoop. Now, the rest of your raspberries, if you want to make this look pretty, you can take the raspberries and just kind of stick them on top. This just makes it look elegant, and then people can definitely tell that it is raspberry brownies. Alright, so you want to preheat your oven to 350 and then put your raspberry brownies in the oven. And you want to cook it for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Time to check. Ah, these are looking beautiful. And another way to check is with the toothpick. So you just want to poke it in. And if it comes out clean, then it is done. And we're just going to pull them out and set them on here. So then I'm just going to let them cool off for about 10-15 minutes, and then they are done.
Alright, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Alright, so we're gonna try out this raspberry brownie. Alright, here we go in. Ready? Opened it. Alright, let's go. It's very creamy. But yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Well, I hope you guys go home and give this a try. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.